They do.
Oh, I got a limp biscuit.
Smoke it, dude. Smoke it. Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it. I'll bring all my patches.
Yeah, we got. Yeah.
Maybe we'll go downtown together. Check the T-shirt guy, and maybe we'll go to Ross. Yeah. We'll check our stash spots.
Oh, that's on there.
I would have picture.
We'll go like what?
Thank you, sir.
We're like Tuesday.
Yeah,
Thank you.
I need mine.
We'll be going down there this week. Sock run.
Right.
Big Chong. We got Chong, the sock guy. Hooks it up good.
Dude, I had him hanging with Chong. Tommy Chong.
Oh yeah, you did.
Yeah. I don't like Tommy Chong.
That Irishman.
Irishman.
The yakking and whacking. Not a yakking and whacking.
Oh God, I'm having flashbacks to the
Bandanas. I should
Irish.
have brought them to give away.
Oh, we'll bring them down to our homies. Yeah.
Yeah.
I hear live music over here. You hear that?
They've got DJs down there.
Danny Boy's over there.
David?
I got a band next to
David Dash?
Your endocrine system.
Sounds like John Lee Hooker. Whoa. Mail truck.
Mail trucks are getting towed. I remember
LA,
seeing
Garcetti's on top of him.
I remember seeing a tow truck getting towed.
Not for my car.
Try that Facebook live stream yet?
I already
Facebook
got
live
one
stream.
today. I don't need the.
Facebook live streaming! Facebook live streaming!
This
Streaming
is-
live,
this-
Jake Worldwide! Oh my
No, this is
God!
Flip Foot Cinema. This is different. This is not streaming yet, but it will be.
YouTube streaming live! YouTube! Oh my God! Oh!
Rick from Hollywood, folks. It's never a dull moment.
God, Marvisto streaming live!
Mar Vista Art Walk. We out here.
Marvisto!
We out here. The gang is united.